guys, really quick this evening, something that I feel that God has put on my heart. And I know it's late, and I wanted to do this because we're on different time zones and everything. I wanted to do this while it's fresh in my mind, for one, and so that you can do this when you get up in the morning. I'm going to call this the Matthew 16:24 challenge. Okay? So I challenge you to join me doing this. And let's read what that verse says. It says, "Then Jesus said to his disciples, 'If anyone desires to come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me.'" So, this is going to be the Matthew 16:24 challenge, and let's see how far this can go. So the challenge is for one, let's do 1 week. Let's try this 1 week. See, I have my little cross here, and I've had this for years, and it's going to come in handy. So the challenge is every morning, let's do exactly what Jesus tells us to do in his word. It says, if anyone desires to come after me, we want to come after Jesus, right? We want more of him. So we want to go after Jesus. So first, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. So I have my little sticky notes here. So every morning, you don't have to have this. This is just for me to. I'm actually going to stick this on my desk and do it every morning. So let's think of one thing every morning for a week that we can deny ourselves of. Some type of pleasure that we want. Coffee. Say you're a coffee drinker. Today, Lord, I deny myself of coffee. Let me just put coffee. So, for day 1, I'm going to deny myself of coffee. I crucify coffee today. I'm not going to drink no coffee, and I'm dedicating the time I would take fixing coffee and drinking it and enjoying it. I'm taking that time to talk to you today, dear Lord. I'm dedicated. I'm crucifying. I'm denying myself of something that I want, that I like. So step 1, deny yourself. I'm denying myself. I'm taking up my cross. I'm remembering what Jesus done for me, what he went through for me, which is a lot bigger than anything that I can give up a day to spend more time with him. I'm denying myself of a pleasure today. I'm denying myself of coffee today, dear Lord. I'm taking up my cross and I'm following you today. I dedicate this time to you today. And it don't necessarily have to be coffee. It could be anything. I'm denying myself of TV. I'm denying myself of TV. I'm denying myself of YouTube. I'm denying myself from my phone. I'm denying myself from social media. I'm denying myself 1 meal a day. It can be anything. Anything that pleases you, that pleases the flesh. Deny the flesh. Take up your cross and spend that time with Jesus. That is the Matthew 16:24 challenge that just popped in my mind this evening, and I thought, oh wow, I have to get this out. I want to get this out. Share this video. Let's see how far we can get this. And I guarantee the Lord will bless you for it. 1 week, a different thing each day. Lord, today I'm denying myself coffee. Lord, today I'm denying myself of any TV. Lord, today I'm denying myself of social media. Whatever it is, one thing a day for a week. And watch the Lord bless you. I love you guys. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And share this video. Let's get this out there. And let's start a challenge for God. Let's seek Him. Okay? Love you guys. And I will see you in the next video, Lord willing, tomorrow morning for our devotional. Let me know in the comments if you accept my challenge. Love you guys. God bless.